So today I went out, I was flying the SZ-2306 motors from Meps 1950 kV, which is my preferred size of motor for freestyling stuff. I like that lower end torque, which you get from the 2306.
I like the GoPro.
Thank you. Yeah, these motors, they went very, very good. They were smooth, they were responsive, everything you want from a quad motor. These ones did take an absolute beating, so I crashed a lot today. It was my first time freestyling in maybe 18 months or something, so first time I've been doing the flip-flops in a long time, and ended up getting bashed around in trees, doing a lot of turtle modes in the dirt and the dust and leaves getting thrown up and strewn in there, so they held up really well. They're still beautiful, they're still turning all sweet. They were getting pretty hot, but I think that's more from the tune that I've got, which is more sort of set up for cinematic type flying, you know, instead of freestyle stuff where you get your props chewed up a bit and the motor's working harder, getting hotter. They did get hot, but I think that's mainly a tuning thing rather than anything to do with the motor themselves. So really impressed. You know, these are a fairly cheap motor. Yeah, highly recommend. Good one, Meps.
Bad girl, make a damn good song. No time for me to play your games. Too young for be feeling this way. Don't come round cause the time feels wrong. Bad girl, make a damn good song.